welcome back to Flourwood. Today we're going to be making a spinach and corn toasty. I used to love these so much as a kid that I decided to share the recipe with you. Usually I would make these with cream and mozzarella, but in this version I'm making it a little healthy. So I'm using hung curd or Greek yogurt and Parmesan cheese. This recipe is really easy and comes together in a minute. So the consistency of the mixture you're trying to create is of a spreadable texture. The cheese will eventually melt and it'll be all ooey-gooey. I personally love this toast on a sourdough bread, but any bread that you have at home will do. I'm making this toast in an air fryer, but in case you do not have one, feel free to use a pan. Another point to note is that I didn't feel the need to add salt and pepper in this because the seasoning that I used already had salt and pepper content in them. And finally, here's me doing a taste test for you. I will let the crunch speak for itself. I will see you in my next video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.